Hi friends, I'm Dr. Gaurang from Arka Hospital, and in this video I'd like to share with you all our integrative approach to treat chronic diseases, and at the end of this video you can see if this is right for you and your health problems. So I'd like to start with telling you about our philosophy of treating chronic diseases. We have the experience in healthcare for about 40 years and we have two centers of excellence in laparoscopic surgery. But in the last 5 years, we've realized that treating chronic diseases, which are the majority burden, which is the major burden and the highest cause of mortality today, is not enough if we treat the symptoms. We need to look at the root cause of why the disease is happening. Unlike acute illnesses, for example, if you have a fracture, is because of a trauma. If you have an infection, if you have diarrhea, it's because of a particular organism. The chronic disease is not like that. Diabetes can be multifactorial. It could be because of the diet, lifestyle, mental well-being. It could be because of inflammation, and that inflammation could be because of chronic infection, heavy metal exposure, environmental toxins. So we need to look at the root cause of the disease, and this could be different in different people, to address and really reverse the disease. So that is our main focus. And to create a sustainable change and to permanently reverse the disease, we believe in helping you get the tools and the knowledge to take ownership of your health and create sustainable lifestyle and diet changes so that your disease is permanently reversed. And to understand the root cause, we do some advanced testing. This is beyond what is available in a regular hospital. We might be looking at the microbiome in your stool sample. We might look at the organic acids in the urine. We can look at the heavy metals in the hair and serum. We can look at the genetics and see how it is influencing your epigenetics. So using the data from all these advanced tests, we spend time to really know you and design a personalized treatment plan to reverse your diseases. So our goal of this video is to see if our process and our philosophy of reversing chronic diseases is right fit for your health problems. And we believe in always exceeding your expectations in healthcare, and also we believe in giving you the knowledge so that knowing all your options, having all the doors open for your disease will save you time and money and effort before you commit to something. So at the end of this video, if you feel our approach and our process is suitable for you, you can schedule a no cost, no obligation health discovery call with us, where you can share with us your health problems and we'll help you understand if our process is ideal for your individual needs. So I want to start by telling you about what the problem in current healthcare system is. So when you look at the chronic diseases, diabetes, autoimmune diseases, arthritis, depression, heart disease, cholesterol, hypertension, all of these diseases are being treated by suppressing the symptoms in our current healthcare system. But if you look at the underlying problem in all the diseases, there is chronic inflammation, and that chronic inflammation is caused by a variety of root causes. It can be diet, lifestyle, toxin exposure, environmental exposure. It could be poor mental well-being. It could be poor self-image, and so many reasons could cause the chronic inflammation. But our current healthcare system is not designed to look at the root cause and give you the tools to help you reduce all these contributors. So our focus is not just help you control your symptoms, but also help you figure out the root cause of your disease and give you the tools to reverse them. So in our approach, we really will get to know you. It's not like a typical consultation which you've experienced in other hospitals where you spend only 5 to 10 minutes with a doctor. We spend about 45 minutes in the first consultation to really understand you, to really know your health history, and to know what are the contributors to your present health condition. And from there, we make a personalized plan to treat the root cause of your disease, and we will give you solution to reduce the symptoms, but our focus will also to get to know the root cause and treat the root cause. So that is why it doesn't work out like a typical hospital where you walk in, you spend 5 minutes with the doctor, get a prescription and get out. So in that way, we will not be able to do, because we need to give you a lot of information about your disease. We need to tell you about the diet, lifestyle, and the environmental changes you need to do. So this requires a partnership. So the duration of the partnership is different. For some people with small problems may require 1 month, but for some people who have been suffering for a long time might require 1 year. So in this partnership, we can handhold you at every step, we can answer all your questions, and we can personalize the plan for you. So our team is not just doctor, we also have a health coach who is trained in functional nutrition, has a master's in clinical nutrition, and who is trained in optimizing and personalizing the lifestyle changes for your disease. And we also have coordinators who can help you with scheduling appointments, scheduling services. And the advantage of being in a hospital is sometimes we may be able to get the insurance to cover for you. So once we start, we will send you a detailed form where you fill up all your details pertaining to your childhood history and your current health problems. And then we set up an initial consultation. So after the initial consultation, we will assess your symptoms, and to make it easier to grade your severity, we use something called the medical symptom questionnaire. If the medical symptom questionnaire is showing a high score, we would need more time to spend with you to help you reverse the disease. If the symptom questionnaire shows a lower score, then we can do it with a smaller time. So that is why we have designed a membership where we know that every disease and every person is not the same. Some people need less time, some people need more time, and some people may require some services, some people may not. So that is why we have designed two kinds of memberships. Membership is usually for 1 month, and you can keep renewing it if you need for your particular disease. So if your medical symptom questionnaire score is a little high and your symptoms are a lot and you've been suffering since a long time, you may fit into the deluxe membership, where I spend about 60 minutes with you every month. You would get to meet the health coach 4 times a month. And we also have Zoom sessions every week where any questions of yours can be answered. And we can also, in the Zoom sessions, we'll be training you about different aspects of your health and your disease. Along with that, it's very important for us to detox and get the toxins and the inflammation out of the body. So that is why we have made a detox section complimentary as a part of membership. Depending on your condition, you can choose between a physical detox, which has a hydrocolon therapy with far infrared sauna, or a mental detox, which is a sound therapy, which is again a wonderful session with guided meditation along with sounds to make you feel calm and relaxed. If your symptoms are lesser and your medical symptom questionnaire score is less, then our active membership is ideal for you, where I spend about 30 minutes every month with you. You are still eligible for Zoom sessions weekly, and you get to meet the health coach twice a month. So once we finish the initial consultation, if you need more evaluation and if the test results which you already have are not enough, I might recommend some tests for you. And once you get the reports, we will again, based on those results, we will tweak the protocol and the plan a little bit. And then every week we meet on Zoom on a group call, and you also get support of the health coach on WhatsApp. So this cycle, monthly cycle, can keep repeating until your problem is resolved. So our specialty is we can do this completely online, like so many programs which are happening these days, but also we are located in southern part of Bangalore in a multi-speciality hospital. So we have all the services which you get in a regular multi-speciality hospital. We can cater to all kinds of medical need, acute medical illnesses, surgeries, and 24 hours we are open to emergencies. But along with this, we have our integrative medical services, which can be ozone therapy to reduce inflammation in the body. It could be IV nutrition and chelation to detox. We have far infrared sauna, yoga therapy, sound therapy, and we have hydrocolon therapy. So you can choose between a complete online service, or you could get any of our health services in the hospital to accelerate your healing process. So this service and the membership is for people who really want to reverse their chronic disease and who really want to take control of their health. It is for people who want to form healthy habits and who want the support of an expert in getting healthy. And it is for people who are fed up of doctors not listening to in a regular hospital and who want to work with practitioners who are patient and empathetic. And it is for people who have a lot of questions regarding their health and their illness and want all their questions to be solved. So this is for people who are really committed to make the changes we recommend. And it is not for people who want very quick results. If you don't want to put a lot of effort and you want quick results which are not sustainable, then this program is not for you. And we don't have any hidden costs. There is no upsell. Everything is straightforward. And but you have to be willing to spend some time on yourself every day and follow our advice. And also, this approach is not for people with a scarcity mindset where they want to do as minimal as possible for their health. The only drawback we have with this approach is it's completely dependent on you, because this process requires you to be coachable and committed to recovering. And you have to make the changes what we recommend on daily basis. And we can help you only if you're willing to help yourself. So if you feel this approach is right for you, then you can schedule a free, no obligation call where you can tell us about your current health problems, and we'll tell you if our approach is right for you. And then you can decide whether you want to go ahead with the initial consultation. If you feel this is a little overwhelming, you are still not convinced with this, and you want to have a taste of it, then you want some more time to decide whether this whole thing is right for you, then I have 3 options for you. What we have realized is 80% of the healing in chronic diseases happens once we are strong with making fundamental changes in our lifestyle and diet. This can be very basic dietary changes, lifestyle changes, incorporating exercise into your life, reducing environmental toxins in our life. So this knowledge of fundamentals we have converted into a 30-day program, which is absolutely free. You can access that in our website, and you can enroll to that and see how we deal with these problems. You can also join our Facebook community called Arka Holistic Health Hub, where we keep sharing the latest data on reversing chronic diseases and optimizing the health. To stay updated with what we do, you can also subscribe to our email newsletter in our website. You can also find the links to all of these things below. So if you want to go ahead, please click on the link below to book a consultation, and we will listen patiently to you and make an appropriate plan for you. So looking forward to helping you reverse your chronic diseases and helping you live the healthiest life. Thank you so much.